Bike check, Cody.
Alright, this is my bike.
It's gay.
It's a King Gap.
It's gay.
Only thing I changed on it so far is grips and pedals. So on my bike I have forks, King Volt forks. They're nice forks. I haven't had any problems with them. They ride great.
They're gay. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Okay. My bars are Kink Uptown bars. I'm getting new bars and new forks for my birthday, but these forks, bars are nice so far. I like them. Just not my size. This is my frame.
That's what she said.
This is my frame. It's stock King Gap frame. You can only get it on the King Gap.
It's good.
It's a nice frame. It's pretty light. It's not Mission Transit.
Porn.
What?
What?
Okay. I like them. I don't have any problems with them. They're nice.
I want them.
Julio does want them.
Because my cranks are gay.
Very.
Yes. See that?
Then I have my Kink Decimal. You know, sprocket. Kink chain wheel. Kink chain. Kenda forks. Alienation rim.
Forks.
Wow. Shut up. I'm scared.
Tires.
I'm out of it. Kenda tires. Alienation rims.
Whatever spokes.
Yeah. I got a fit tube in the back right now. Works fine.
Pieces.
King Echo. I'm pretty sure it's Echo. Shit, I got that thingamabobber covering
It's
it.
Mission Echo.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Shit.
Mission, because King owns Mission. It doesn't matter.
Oh yeah.
Then pretty much same setup in the front.
Yeah.
Well, exact same setup in the front. Except
Mission headset.
Yeah.
Is that Mission stem?
Mission headset stem. Mission seat post. Mission pivotal seat post.
And clamp.
Yes.
A fit seat that I want.
Fit seat.
If it didn't have a disease.
I totally forgot the name, but yeah, it's diseased. It has like growing herpes. It's spreading fast across the whole body, as you can notice.
That's your whole bicycle.
And that's my bike. And no,